Hello everyone and welcome to this week's watch list review. Still feeling a little bit under the weather. Sorry I didn't get a video out earlier this week for this week's watch list, but I did put it up on my Twitter. I posted it on my Twitter. This is it. This isn't the actual one that I put on Twitter because I did that on my other computer upstairs and I forgot just now. When I was getting ready to do the preview, I remembered it was still upstairs on the other computer, so I just typed this one up, just looking at the one I tweeted last week, and just typed it up. So that's why it'll look a little bit different, but it's the same. Everything's the same on it. So formatting's just slightly different. So I had AFRM below 133, Pepsi to go up, McDonald's to go up, COUP to go down, FVRR to go down, First Solar to go up. I also said watch for the weekly 122 RevStrat reversal on SPY below 466.23. So let's take a look and see how we did. We have AFRM. Come out and look at the weekly. I have my target. Okay, there's my trigger. There's target 1, there's target 2. So we did take out target 1. Made it had a little over halfway to target 2. If you take a look at the daily, you see we triggered here and pretty much instantly shot down past target 1, which wasn't a huge target. That was $4. It was good enough. Good enough to make decent money on. So AFRM worked out. Pepsi, we were looking for it to break to the upside. Let's see, it did break the upside. Yeah, Pepsi did break to the upside and did take out target 1. And I actually only had one target on Pepsi. And the one I tweeted out, you'll see if you go back and look at it, it says further targets would be a broadening formation on a shorter time frame, moving average 9 EMA cross or 9 SMA cross on a shorter time frame, or a reversal candle on a shorter time frame. So that's what I had on that. But target 2 was 166.43. We hit 166.80, so that's a good one. McDonald's, we were looking for a break above 254.19. Target 1 was 255.65. Target 2 is 257.53. We took out both of those targets, so McDonald's worked. COUP, we were looking for break below. Why does this not look right here? Something doesn't look right. COUP below 203.50, but that wasn't the weekly low. Yeah, something isn't right here. This was supposed to be the trigger, which actually makes this one even better, but this was supposed to be the trigger. Somehow I put it down here, and I don't know how I did that. I wonder if I went out to the month. Yeah, I'm not sure how I managed that. When I did this, I was starting to feel sick, so maybe, I don't know. I don't want to blame it on anything. I just screwed up, but the trigger would have actually been a break below 211.58, which we got, and my first target would have been on the daily. My first target would have been, let's see what I say my trigger was. I think it was 211.58. Yeah, right here, break below this. My first target would have been right here, but not much of a target. Then I would have been looking down here. This would have been target 1. And then if you go back further, I would have had this one for target 2. And then I would have had target 3 down here and target 4 down here. So we would have hit the first 3 targets, but going with what I have, what I had on the watch list, I have to go by that because that's what I put, but we did break below the 203.50. We took out the first target, almost took out the second target. So sorry about that. I don't know how that happened. Fiverr looking for a break below 155.39. Yeah, something's going on because it happened on this one too. This should have been the trigger right here. Somehow, I'm gonna have to check my other computer and see if something's going on with it. What, I don't know. I don't know what it would be. I find it hard to imagine I screwed it up twice in a row, but either way, it triggered and took out target one. So every one of them worked on the inside candles. Let's check First Solar. Hopefully I didn't screw that one up. Okay, First Solar, we were looking for a 2-2 reversal. We got that reversal. We still ended the week red, but we triggered and took out target one, which was about a $2 move. So all of those worked. Every trade on here worked, even though I screwed these two up. They still worked if you followed the triggers and exits. So that was definitely a good week there, except for my two screw ups here, which I don't know. I'm gonna have to. I really don't think it would be my computer upstairs. I'm sure it was me, but I'm gonna have to take a look just to make sure. And I said watch for a weekly rev strat below 466.23 on SPY. So let's take a look and see what we had. We got it. We got the rev strat. Actually, it broke to the upside, so it was a 1, 2, 3. But when it did break below this, the low of this 466.23, first target would have been here, second target would have been here, and you got both of those. So definitely a good watch list this week. I wish I wouldn't have screwed these two up. They would have been even better trades, but what is it, 6 for 6 and kind of like a bonus here, got this one right. So definitely good. I'm not bragging on myself because obviously I did something wrong here, but and I've had a lot of bad weeks in the past. So but I traded a couple of these. I traded AFRM. I think I sold a target one. I don't know that I traded any other ones. I went to trade, I think it was McDonald's I went to trade, and the spread was just way too big for me, and I wasn't interested in trading it. I think that was it, but okay, well anyway, thanks for watching. I'll get a video out. I'm going to do a scan right now, get a video out, hopefully later this weekend. Hopefully I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm definitely feeling better. I'm just not back 100%. But I'll get a video out later this weekend, and hopefully I don't have any mistakes on it. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you later, and bye.